Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone just by double tapping the back of your phone. This is super useful if your buttons are not working or if you want a quicker way to capture your screen. First, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Touch. Here you'll see an option called Back Tap. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll get two options, double tap and triple tap. Tap on double tap. Now you'll see a list of actions you can assign to the double tap gesture. Simply scroll down and select Screenshot. That's it. Now just double tap on the back of your iPhone near the center area and it will instantly take a screenshot. You can test it right now and you'll see the screenshot animation pop up. This works on iPhone 8 and newer models running iOS 14 or later, so if you want easier screenshots, this feature is definitely worth using. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.